Welcome to my channel. We're going to be carrying out this exercise today. It is a little bit complicated, but let's get along. Welcome. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you like what we are doing, and please comment. We want to hear from you if we're doing a good job, areas we need to improve on. Please kindly let us know so that we could know how to serve you better and how to help you learn CorelCAD 2023. We're going to be having some AutoCAD tutorial too, but for now we're working on CorelCAD. I think subsequently we'll be doing a tutorial on both sides so that people have the privilege of learning the CAD software of their choice, especially AutoCAD and CorelCAD. But for now we're working with CorelCAD. So welcome this CorelCAD 2023. Let's dive in right away. Take this. First and foremost, we're going to draw a line. We'll draw a vertical line. A vertical line of any length. Probably 100 is okay. Now this line, if you look at it, is red color and it's dashed line. So how do we achieve that? We'll select this line, come here, select the color. You can pick red. Okay. Line is red but it's not dashed. How do you make it dashed line? Now if you come here, we have, these are line properties. We have orders. We don't have dashed line here. We have by block, solid line, and we have continuous solid line. We want to have that. So you click on the load, then you pick this particular one, dashed line, and say okay. Now you have it here. You say okay. You say okay. So by default, we want it to be continuous, but for this particular one, we want it to be dashed. So you select it, come here and select the dashed line. You see? Now we have our dashed line. Now we have our dashed line. Now what else do we need to do? We need to draw a circle which will be coinciding with this line. So what I'm going to do, I take my circle tool, then draw a circle. I don't mind having it at that point, and the radius of the circle is 7.5. 7.5. All is in inches. 7.5. Now 7.5, and this outside one is 30. You repeat it. 30. Enter. Now we have it that way. Now at this point here, we have these lines going up and down. So I'm going to pick my line tool again. This time around I will select my dash line property, then select the color to be red. So I pick my line and I come here at this particular point and I pick this. Now if you look at what we have there, we can have it as long as we want. It doesn't matter. Then the angle, we don't know what angle is supposed to be, but one thing we know is we have 30, and the other side, because in CorelCAD, we put it this way, we have in CorelCAD, your angles start from this x-axis. So from here to here is 90, from here to here is 180, 270, and 360. So never forget, that's how Corel works. So here we have from here to here is 90. Between x and y is 90. Then we have 30 added to it. So we come here at this point where they coincide. We pick a draw a line. Sorry. We draw a line. Then 30 plus 90, that is 120. We enter 120. Enter. Then another line from here, same point, we bring it down. That is going to be 60. Now if it is going to be 60 minus 90, we have 30, because from here to here is 90 to here is 180, then plus 30, which is what? 210. Sorry, no. Okay, let me see. 25. Then our angle, well, 25 is not 120. Then we'll go back and make it 70. What happened? Something is not right here. Okay. Click here. Oh, I'm with 120, which was an error. It's not 120. It's 180 plus 10, which is 2 plus 30, which is 210. 210. Enter. Okay, then press enter to finish drawing the line. Now, this point, sorry, I want them to be fixed. I don't want them to move. So I'm going to use geometric constraint of fixed, U, fixed, U, enter, U, I want to be fixed. We have two lines, seems we have two lines there. Okay, the last, why my system hanging? Oh no, oh no, oh no, my system hung, my system crashed. Oh no, my system crashed. Oh no, sorry about that. It's one of those things, you'll expect it. CorelCAD is pretty simple. It's pretty simple, although not as advanced as AutoCAD, but it's pretty simple. It's almost the same, just a little bit manipulation and nomenclature here and there, but for me they are the same. We're going to open a file, new file. I'm going to pick a medium dimension. Okay, then I'm going to close this one. I'm going to delete this. Okay, insert an image, attach image. Then I will navigate to where I have my images. Of them my tutorial drawings, and I'm working on exercise 16. Okay, then I will place it right here. Then the scale should be 1. So we'll start all over again. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. So I'm going to draw a line as long as I much as want. Okay, so this line is red color. Mine is not red, it's white. How do I make it red? Come select the line, come here and pick the color red. Now I need to make it dash line. Yes, this box is your line properties. If you don't know that, check our very first tutorial on interface. You will see that. So you go to orders, load, then pick dash line, pick this dash line, then say OK, then say OK. So you come back here and select it. I have a dash line now. Now I'm going to take my circle. I'm drawing a circle of radius 7.5. And it's going to be here 7.5. Now I want that to coincide with that, so that it doesn't shake. I have that now. So I'm going to draw another circle of radius 30. It seems I need to expand this a little, so that we will not have to be zooming in and out often. Okay. Okay. So another circle. anything there of radius 30. Enter. So we have that of radius 30. Now at this particular point here, there is this red lines that goes out. So I'm going to take line, sorry. Before I do that, since I already have them configured, I don't want to waste a lot of time. I selected that, then I come right here, then go up. Now that dimension, the length does not matter, but the angle matters. Like I said earlier on, the angle matters. So the angle now is 90 plus 30. We have 120. Good. Enter. So I repeat it. Press enter to repeat. The same. Now this time around is downward. And the angle too should be 210. Now how did I arrive at those angles? And CorelCAD, your angular dimension starts from the X here, then rotate to the Y, then here, then here, then here. So what I just did is, from the horizontal here to here is right angle, which is 90 plus additional 30. So if you measure from here to here, you're going to get that we have 30 dimensional constraint angular. I pick this and this. See what we have? 30. Enter. So if I pick repeat, enter to repeat. If I pick this and this, what we're going to be having? We have here 60. Enter. So from here to here is 90. From here to horizontal here is 180. 180 to this. So we have this last quarter here is 90. If you minus 60 from it, you have 30. So from here to this horizontal line is 30. That's how I got my 210 that I used to design this. So having this in place, what else do we need to do? This point right now forms the circle of this other arcs here we have with all this radius here. So we're going to draw a circle from this point, and the circle goes out at radius 60. Radius 60. This should be white line or black line in case for white line, then continuous line. Okay, continuous line. So let's revert back to normal because we no longer need red. So you can see here now we have this, which is our 60. The next one is we have a middle line here, which is our 40. Middle line, which is our 40. We repeat circle. Now this line now is supposed to be 40, red and dashed. So we pick it, come here, red, then come here, dashed. Okay. So I've done that. Go back to our normal line. So let's clean up a little bit. Come back. We can hide the constraints. Then use our power tool to clean up. Clean up this. Then we can likewise clean up this and clean up this. So you can see our shape is gradually taking place. So we're going to use the offset tool. Now if you look at it, the entire length of this is 15, which is more or less like the diameter of this curve here is 15, which means we're going to be having 7.5 on each side. So what we are going to use again is now our offset tool. So we take our offset tool, specify the distance 7.5, enter, then specify the entity 7.5 up, then 17.5 down. Then the ought to be block line, so we pick both of them, both of them, come here, make it by block, come here, make it continuous line, enter. Are we together? I think we are moving right away together. Right away together. Now we have a square of radius 5, but right now the distance from here to this is not stated, but we have this point here which forms the circle here. So this point, we're going to have a circle that's going to touch this line and come here. So we take this again, come here at this particular point where these two lines meet. We're going to have the first radius, which is going to be 20. We enter it. We're going to have another one which is going to be 7.5 radius or 15 as diameter. So we come here, we specify the center. We can say diameter, which is D, because they were working with diameter now because we have 15. So we're going to be 15. You see? Perfect. Perfect. So we'll do the same thing here too. Repeat, come here. D, which is 15. Then press enter to repeat. No, okay, we don't need that. Sorry, we don't need that. So here our item is perfectly in shape now. So all we need to do is our tool, trim and 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 trim all of them. Trim. Okay, I think we are done. We are done right here. We are done. Oh, not yet. Not so fast. Not so fast. But we can continue with the cleaning exercises for now. The other ones will be done later. Okay, let me take the delete tool so that I will not have to do multiple steps. Enter. Okay. So power trim this. Now, how do we get this radius here? But definitely the center of this radius is not here. That's where our constraint comes in, the tangent tool. So we're going to take a circle, draw it here. Radius what? Radius 10. Enter. Then we're going to make sure this item is fixed so that it doesn't move. Fixed. Doesn't move. And we can also make this here fixed so that it doesn't move too. Now we're going to use our tangent tool. So we are moving this small circle to this. Likewise, repeat it. We want it to move the tangent on this. So perfectly well. That's how you use your tangent tool. So we trim this, then we trim this, and we trim this. Something peeping here. We'll take care of it too. Have a perfect clean design. So we could trim this one here too. And I could trim this one too. So this is our design perfectly well. So what else do we need to do? Dimensioning, annotation, to give it the proper annotation. Okay, proper annotation. So we come to our dimension tool, smart tool. Yeah, I pick this guy here. What do we have? Oh, we have 30. Then we pick this guy here. What do we have? Radius, not diameter. Radius is 7.5. Then we pick this guy here. What do we have? Radius 10. Okay. Then this this guy here, what do we have? Radius 20, and this guy here, what do we have? Radius 60, and this guy here, what do we have? This guy here, we have radius 40. Now we're going to use linear to pick this point and this point. What do we have? 15. So here comes the end of this particular exercise. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Okay, let's do the angular one too. So pick this line and pick this line. We have 30. We pick this line. We have 60. Okay. What are we doing? I want angular. So I pick this line and I pick this line. I have 60. So here we come to the end of our exercise. Like and subscribe to our channel if you like what we are doing. This will encourage us to put on more video for you. Thank you.